Let's go.
I can't believe I finally have these. Hello ladies, and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to be unboxing my Christmas gifts early. Yes, if something arrives in this house early, it never makes it underneath the Christmas tree. So I'm going to be unboxing these gifts with you ladies today, and they are practical gifts because I really do not need anything. But my husband asked me if there was anything that I wanted for Christmas. So I did pick the 3 items that I'm going to be sharing with you ladies today. And also in today's video, I'm going to be asking you guys, my elegant ladies, to choose which outfit I wear to dinner. My husband and I are going on a 3-day getaway to Asheville, North Carolina this weekend, and I'll share more about that later in the video. So be sure to watch the video to the very end, but I'm going to be sharing 3 different outfits that I would love to have your opinion on which one that I should wear to the restaurant. And I'm also going to be sharing with you ladies the type of restaurant that we're going to be dining at this weekend on our 3-day getaway. So please be sure to leave me a comment down below as to which outfit you would choose to wear to the restaurant. Now, if you're landing on my channel for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. This is definitely a good place to be. My name is Teresa, and this channel is all about leveling up and becoming more elegant and more graceful. And if that is something you're interested in, I would love to have you to subscribe to my channel. And also, ladies, if you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button, as that tells me what type of videos you guys enjoy watching. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So my outfit of the day is going to be really quick. This sweater I bought probably about 8 years ago, and I'm not really sure where I got it from, but I've had it for about 8 years. It's just a really nice black sweater with some silver detailing around the sleeve. Now the pants I'm wearing, my husband bought me from Asheville, North Carolina, which is where we are going to this weekend. So he actually picked these out and bought them for me about 11 years ago, I believe. And now that I have dropped the pandemic weight, they fit me a lot better. My outfit is just this black sweater with these pants. And I'm just going to pair this outfit with these black suede loafers because I have some errands to run today. So now, ladies, let's unbox my Christmas gifts. So the first gift that I want to share with you ladies, I have wanted some of these for a very long time, and I'm just so excited to share them with you because they are very high quality. But the brand that I ordered these from is Fratelli Orsini. It is an Italian brand, and I am just super excited to get these. Now, these are 100% Italian leather. So let me unbox them with you. I have, of course, already opened them because if something comes in the mail early, it never makes it underneath the tree. So these were handmade in Italy. So let's open them together. Oh my goodness. Even the smell in here is just amazing. So I'm going to pull this out and show them to you. I promise I'm going to show them to you, but the packaging is so beautiful. So ladies, look at the bag that these came in. This velvet is so soft and beautiful, and it's got the brand's name on the front of the bag, Fratelli Orsini. And this is to protect what's inside the bag. So now let's open this up because they are absolutely stunning. Oh my goodness. my leather gloves. And here they are, ladies. 100% Italian leather gloves. And on the interior is cashmere. Can you believe it? But look, oh my goodness, the interior of these gloves is cashmere. And they are absolutely stunning. So let me try them on. I've already had them on, so I know the fit is perfect. And with regard to gloves, they need to fit tightly on your arm and your fingers need to go to the tip. So I think these are stunning. I ordered these in a size small because I have very small fingers, but these gloves fit absolutely perfect. So look at these, ladies. Oh my goodness. They are so beautiful, and they're going to be perfect in the winter time. And the cashmere on the interior of the gloves really does keep your hands warm. But I think they are very classy and very elegant. These can be worn with a dress or something with sort of a quarter-length sleeve where you can show off the gloves. Really excited. The leather is extremely soft on these gloves. It just feels like butter almost. The leather is just so extremely soft. A very practical gift, but I love them. Now the brand also included some leather gel, and this is to keep your gloves clean and polished, which I thought was a really nice little bonus to include inside the box. Now the next gift I want to unbox with you ladies is this. And I picked it out from Banana Republic. So let's go ahead and unbox this together. I have not used it because I am thinking of wrapping this one up and putting it underneath the Christmas tree. If I want to take it on our trip this weekend, I may actually use it this weekend. So let's see what's in this bag. So this is a very simple quilted crossbody bag. And when I saw it on Banana Republic's website, I really fell in love with it. It's very soft. And then it also has the strap. Let's take off this plastic. I do love the chain on this bag. My black one is back there that I use all the time. I love using crossbodies when I'm traveling because they're just so easy to tote around on my shoulder. But I want to give you ladies a closer look at this bag, and it's very spacious on the interior. So I can get everything in here from my phone to lip gloss or hand sanitizer or anything. It's got a lot of room on the interior, and then it's got a pocket right in here. But I love that it snaps in the front, and it's got this beautiful chain that comes with it. Now I did not have a purse in this color, and that's why I chose this one, but I think it works really good, and I may actually pair it with one of the outfits I'm going to be showing you ladies later in this video. And it has this leather strap on the shoulder where the purse will rest right on your shoulder, and I think that will just make it more comfortable to carry around. Another practical gift, but I absolutely love it. And now my last gift that I want to show you ladies is really super practical, but I wanted this. And a couple of months ago, a close girlfriend of mine went to Oklahoma City, and she went to the farmer's market and she bought me one of these to try out, and I just fell in love with it. And I know this is super practical ladies, but I am into clean beauty as I have been for a long time. And these are lavender lotion bars, and I love putting this on my body after taking a warm shower. And the name of the brand is Hometown Honey, and it says across the top here, be healthy and eat your honey. So let me show you guys these little lotion bars because I think they are so beautiful and stunning. And look at the little bee in the center of this lotion bar. I think that is so gorgeous. And the lavender just smells super amazing. The ingredients in this is simply beeswax, coconut oil, shea butter, and lavender essential oils. So it's a very clean beauty product, and they're heat activated. So the way I use this is simply to take a warm shower, and when I get out of the shower, I hold it between my hands and it releases the oils in the shea, so I can just spread it all over my body, and it just smells amazing. So those are all the gifts I have to share with you ladies today. So now let's get into the outfits that I want you ladies to choose for me to wear to dinner in Asheville, North Carolina this weekend. Asheville was a place that we went to frequently while we were dating, and we just really loved the vibe of the town. We love the restaurants there. They're mostly farm-to-table restaurants, local, organic food. And we're also going to the Biltmore, which we have seen many times and we love it. But they're supposed to have their Christmas decorations up at the Biltmore. Now, those of you that know history, the Biltmore House is the largest home in America, and it has over 175,000 square feet of space. Can you imagine that? So it is stunning to see. It's absolutely beautiful. The grounds are amazing to look at. And our tickets also included a free tour of the estate winery. So this is going to be a great trip for us. And then we're also going to stop in at our favorite tea house, which is called Dobra Tea. And this is an amazing tea house. They have hundreds of different types of teas. It's just a beautiful spot to sit down and enjoy some organic herbal teas. One of my favorite restaurants that we used to visit many years ago is called Pisano's. And I called up to make sure that they were still open, and they are. So we're going to be visiting Pisano's for dinner. And this is where I want you guys to help me pick my outfit. Now, to give you a little context on this restaurant, it is casual fine dining, but the interior is so beautiful. It's a lovely restaurant, and the food is absolutely amazing. But I think the restaurant is classy and sophisticated. So I'm not going to be wearing a dress or a skirt, because I do not wear dresses very often. But what I'm going to be showing you ladies is 3 outfits that I have already picked out, and I would like for you ladies to tell me which one is your favorite to wear to Pisano's. So for the first outfit, it is this beautiful beige top that I bought from Banana Republic. I paired it with my black faux leather pants that I also bought from Banana Republic, and I just really love the scalloped detail on this blouse. It circles all the way around the blouse, which I think is really lovely. And I love that this blouse has a really beautiful décolletage. And then I love the buttons on the sleeve of this top. I think they are beautiful. And I think it's just a really beautiful silhouette. The sleeves, I love how they kind of flare out. And again, the scalloping on this shirt is so beautiful. But I'm not going to be wearing these heels, of course, because we're going to be walking around a lot. But I will be pairing this outfit with a pair of black loafers. But I think this comes together really well. I think it's elegant enough to wear to the restaurant, but also casual enough to walk around in. And I just really love how this outfit came together. So this is outfit number 1. And again, ladies, please let me know in the comment section below which outfit is your favorite. Outfit number 2, I've gone with light blue. I've just paired these pants that I bought from Banana Republic. I also paired it with this button-down light blue top. And then these are the black loafers that I'm thinking of packing and taking with me, because I can either wear it with the outfit number one I showed you ladies, or I think it looks really good with this outfit as well. So I'm thinking of just pairing these outfits with some classy leather loafers. And then I paired it with this burnt orange colored belt that I really love. So I love this outfit. It's very comfortable, it's very relaxing, and with each outfit I'm only going to be taking one coat, and that is my trench coat. And no matter which outfit I end up wearing, I think the trench coat is going to pair really well with either one. And then of course, to match the belt, I bought in my little guitar crossbody handbag. And let me know down below which one is your favorite. Now the third outfit is also one of my favorites. I had such a really hard time picking which outfit I wanted to wear to the restaurant, so that is why I need you ladies to help me out with this. So this third outfit is this top that I really love. I showed you guys this outfit, I believe, in one of my previous videos, but I got the top from Mango, and I just love the detail of the top. I love how it hangs on me. And then I'm pairing it with these wide leg black trousers that I got from Target. But the belt is the star of the show. And this belt I got from Anthropologie, and it's suede and it has a gold buckle. I love this belt. It does so much for this outfit. It just cinches in the waistline, and I think it just elevates the entire outfit, because otherwise the outfit would look very simple. Then I paired this outfit with just my pearl necklace that I got from Monica Venator, and I think this outfit is just stunning. I just love it. But I think this outfit is absolutely stunning. So let me know, ladies, in the comment section below, is it number one, number two, or number three? Let me know which one is your favorite. So that is all I have for you ladies today, and I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. And if you are landing on this channel for the first time and you want to have some fun while also enjoying leveling up and becoming more elegant and graceful, then please consider hitting that subscribe button. And also, before you leave, please give this video a like, as that tells me what type of videos you guys enjoy watching. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.